This is a 2016 4-ton ICP air conditioner. It has no tag on it. Well, obviously it has a data tag, but that doesn't say anything. It doesn't have the badge on it, rather. And that fan motor is oddly rusty for being like this. And believe it or not, this is right down the road from where I filmed those train units at that big hall. Weirdly installed right here. This is kind of warm, and this is nice, cold, and sweaty. Not too sweaty, like normally what my Goodman is pushing out, but it is relatively sweaty. And it is kicking out nice and warm air, and it has the same wing fan blades as the trains do, which is pretty nice. Well, not the exact same, they're a bit different, as you can see how it comes through on camera, but that's just how it goes. Right here we got this little, what is this? A 12 horsepower MrCool mini split. Probably has a rotary, I'd be guessing. That's odd. I didn't even think they made something like that. I really didn't think they designed them to be 24 volt, I mean not 24 volts, 120 volts. I would go check out the inside, but I'm not allowed in there.